Are you ready to level up your Photoshop game? Learn how to unleash your creativity and make your images pop. Photoshop Unleashed. Expand your artistic superpowers and get creative with inspiring techniques to freshen up your toolkit. Explore fresh tips, tricks, and creative techniques to spice things up. 'Cause we've got the secret sauce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your brush, this will ignite your passion for creativity. Learn how to make your images. Then other things we can do is use layer styles, right? It's always a quick way. In Thailand, I know for years, it was very big to have these, well, let me bring this on top. Well, let me just merge all these together to a smart object. That way it's all one together in one layer. Oops, that's a different stuff. Anyway, so it's all in one layer.
Don't let the cat out of the bag now.
And now maybe I can add a black and white filter. So it's black and white. And then you'll see that every layer effect comes with a mask. So I can just take my brush and come in here, and obviously I would take my time, maybe Command plus to zoom in, use the bracket tools to use the brush and kind of just color in, maybe use my brush tool, airbrush, bring up the flow a little bit and just kind of color these guys in. And I would do this obviously slower, but quickly making your images pop and stand out, right? Easy, old school method.
It pops. Oh boy, does that look good or what?
Is it popping?
It's popping, baby.
All right. So obviously, I can go over it more, I can do a better job, go slower, yada, 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 but you get the gist of it.
Nice.
We can even go further on this. So now I have this on top of this, and maybe I'll take both of those and put those into a smart object because I have them together. But I also have all the layers. I can always go back to my stuff. And now maybe I'll take another thing. Everyone uses these layer effects, drop shadows, strokes, etc. So, an easy thing is, just adding a stroke to it. Just gives it some flavor by just double clicking, adding a stroke, making that stroke white, and maybe thickening up that stroke. And you'll see that you have to watch the stroke because from outside to inside to center, the radius of the corner is different. So we really want to get here inside for the most part. Many times you'll see it's nice and square. Hope you enjoyed this tip from HeadTrix Training.